everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Look, it says it on the wall, and this 1963 Ford Galaxie 500. Yes, this is an R code car, which means 427, dual quads, 425 horsepower. It's got a 4-speed, it's got big doors, it's red, it's got black interior. The original interior was burgundy, but that's okay. Now it's cool and it's black, and I love it. This car is very big. I know we could fit a Jake-sized human being in this car easily. We could probably even fit my big ass in here. My God, that's a big trunk.
You could probably fit both of us in this trunk. It is huge.
But we're not doing it. We're not spooning. Not going to happen.
No, not going to happen.
Stickerage.
Got floor mats. Yeah, you got stickerage up here. This mat is in pristine condition. Inside of the fenders are fantastic. It's got the spare back here.
It's a fastback.
Very nice. It is.
Which is cool.
Is that what that's called?
Yeah, it is called the fastback. Look at that bench seat. Look at it. Would you look at it? Motorcycle. We could be louder if we wanted to be. My God, look at those big wheels.
Yeah, the seat's in great condition. There's your 4-speed. We got an FM converter in here for the AM radio. The AM radio does work. I just tested it out. There's the clock. The dashes in these old 60s cars are so cool. We got a compass in here. Big steering wheel, of course. Manual steering, so you need a big steering wheel.
Amen. Now, what I love about this, Jake just showed me this.
This is cool.
Right here, the first latch.
The badge is the latch. And then there's
secondary latch is right here. But how about that? And look at this. 427. This is a big engine. It's got some nice billet equipment here. Very nice covers. Oh, so pretty.
It's beautiful.
I love it.
I also love the paint matched wheels.
I do too.
With the
I think
center
it's
caps.
just old school, old NASCAR looking thing. I love this car.
Yeah, and it sounds wicked.
25 horse. It's a lot of horsepower, man.
It's almost as much as a brand new Camaro SS.
True. Very true.
Ooh! I dropped this mic on the ground.
Hot mic. That's a hot mic, is what they call it.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
I think this is what you hear when you enter heaven. I'm actually going to back up. It's loud. I love those space-age taillights too. They're so awesome. Oh, we got one reverse light on. Have to put a bulb in that one probably. This thing's a monster. Oh, there's the headlights. Blinkerage. Other blinkerage. See how easy the door is. Oh, it pops right out at you.
Is the word buttery?
It's buttery.
I knew it.
There's your microphone.
How did I know?
Oh, man.
I get so hungry when we do these videos because we keep talking about the butter. Oh, here we go. Sitting on it. Well, that explains it. Oh, look at that.
Huh.
It's a different type of...
Oh, this is different.
Way different.
Nice. It's the old style of belts. If I put it on correctly.
I'm sure it's completely safe.
Yeah. They were all about safety back in 1963. Isn't that right, Chris?
Absolutely. I wasn't there, folks. I'm not that old.
All right. He's close, though.
not really, but I'm close.
Here we go. Wow,
Closer
it's
than
peppy.
him.
It feels like it wants to take off.
It does.
And this is not a small vehicle, so that's saying a lot. Probably doesn't weigh under 3,000 pounds.
Well, we
Probably
could look
close
it
to 4. I'll look it up in a minute. But here's the beautiful dashboard that I love. It's painted. Real metal dash. You gotta love that. Again, safety.
All about safety, folks.
All about safety. You got your radio here in the middle.
And the FM converter.
The FM converter. I haven't tried that. I've tried the radio. In fact, one speaker. It's up there. I don't know what this song is. I'm gonna turn it off now.
Little town of Bethlehem, I believe.
You got a compass here. You got air controls. You don't have AC though, but you do have a vent you can open up if it's cool out right there for your AC. Here we go. Oh wow, it sounds so good. Oh my God. Oh.
Wants to eat your face, doesn't it?
It worked better if you put it into gear all the way,
That would
Chris.
be good. Oh my
Lord.
full, baby.
This thing pulls so hard.
Oh man.
You weren't even
I'm not trying.
getting on it. Oh
wait
my
until
God.
the bean test. Oh, it's gonna be fun.
This thing's healthy.
Oh, it's healthy.
Very nice.
Well, the boys looked at it a
Why
little
you
bit.
don't need the? Who cares about the FM transmitter? Why would you not just listen to that the whole time?
Oh my.
You're not gonna listen to
gosh.
music in this thing. You won't be able to hear it anyway. Oh, it handles good around the roundabout. Did you notice it handled better going left than it did right? I'm
Sure
kidding.
does. It's NASCAR's brilliance.
Third gear.
Oh man.
Very nice.
I gotta calm down.
I
Good
love the
Lord.
shifter that's kind of notched up.
It's natchy.
It's notchy.
I love it.
And for a fast car, we don't have bucket seats. They were like, nah, just throw a bench in it, it's fine.
It's perfect.
It's very comfortable.
Very.
I would say this is a good highway cruiser, but you probably wouldn't pass a gas station ever.
Never. No.
It's a little loud, but
It's so nice.
I
though.
wouldn't change it. I wouldn't have it any other way. It's got 3 pedals, the way God intended.
The way the good Lord intended.
And a big block.
A big block, and it's a legendary bin. Big block.
427 cubic inches of big block. I like the white headliner.
I do too.
Everything
Look,
else is black. You
this
got
is not droopy at all.
white visors and a white headliner that's very nice. No dome light. Interesting. You do have lights back there.
You don't need it.
Back seat is in great condition. They got ashtrays back there for the rear passengers. No speakers back there. You don't need them again. You're not going to be listening to the radio. Who cares? See, oh yeah, the glove box has the original owner's manuals and stuff in it, and some other paperwork. Very cool.
Boy, this is cool.
Do you feel like Smokey Eunuch? I don't know if he drove a Galaxie, probably not.
I don't know. Carl Yarborough
Or
did.
Dick Trickle,
Whoa.
my
What's your
favorite
language?
NASCAR driver name
Language,
ever. Although
please.
there is a guy in IndyCar right now named Stingray Bob.
Oh, I love Stingray Bob. I
Stingray
went
Rob
crazy.
or Stingray Bob?
Stingray Rob, and also a Indy
Yes.
500 guy. He's from Utah. He's such a cool guy.
The coolest name to ever be for a race car driver
When
ever.
he fell out of that, I stood up when he lost in the Indy 500. He crashed on like turn 39. I'm like, dude, I'm leaving. Stingray Rob's not here. I'm not interested.
Between him and Dick Trickle, if that's not reason enough to watch NASCAR.
Stingray Rob is his real God-given
Oh, I
name.
know. I know.
I couldn't believe it. His dad's obviously said you're going to be a race car driver, son.
Yeah,
I follow him on the Instagram. He's worth a follow.
he is worth a follow. But this is a piece of racing history here. This thing is
people
awesome.
with your turnings.
Yeah, there's.
What's nice about second gear in this car is it wants to smack you in the face.
Yeah, it makes plenty of power. You don't really need first.
Oh my God.
You don't really need first gear if you want to take off. Second's just fine. And wow, it does want to just punch you in the face.
It does. I love this car so much.
I'm glad we have the lap belts. They'll really hold you in here.
Well,
This
they need
needs
to.
harnesses.
It does need a harness. It's so cool. I mean, this is 63,
Also,
baby.
we just went over one of those steel construction plates.
Didn't feel
I
it.
didn't feel it at all.
Didn't feel it at
The
all.
ride is so nice in this thing.
It's a nice
They just-
4-speed.
Slapped the biggest engine they had laying around, and they're like, yeah, that'll work.
I'll do it.
Here we go, bean test. Second gear. Oh my Lord in heaven. Third gear. Oh my God, it pulled so hard.
All right,
Oh.
slow down. You got manual brakes,
We're
man.
only going 35 miles an
That's
hour.
right.
Not 80.
No.
Why would we do that?
We'd go 40 maybe.
The speed limit's
Top
35.
speed. Oh,
God, this thing.
I wanted to go more.
You know,
wait until you do a flyby. You're
I
gonna
had
lose
a 2000, the year 2000, Camaro Z28 a couple years ago. It's probably more like 5 years ago now. I thought that thing pulled hard. This thing is how many years older? 37?
Oh, it's a lot older. Oh God, it's so pretty.
No, not 30. Yeah, 37 years older than that car. This pulls way harder than that.
I like
and
fun
it probably
with math
weighs
with
more.
us. I like we're doing a lot of math lately.
This probably weighs way more than that Z28, and that car was tuned with a shift kit. This thing's way faster.
Yeah. Oh, I love it. Let's find out how much it weighs.
Listen to that idle too.
1963. 1963
Galaxie.
Ford Galaxie, spelled funny, 500.
R code. Do the R code specifically.
Weight. Stop it, Steam browser.
It doesn't know. It's too rare.
3,600 pounds, which actually is lighter than I thought.
Lighter than I expected too.
What?
I mean, there's no like AC or amenities.
They probably
and
took
stuff.
everything out of it to make it light, to make it a race car.
Probably.
God.
I wonder if that's dry weight or if that's with fluids too. But anyway,
I'm not going to ask this car about its fluids.
I'm gonna do flybys.
Let's do
I
it.
want to hear what this sounds like.
Oh, it's going to be great. Isn't this great?
Cool.
Cool. There he goes. One thing that car isn't is subtle. Yeah, mechanical clutch. They're fun. That car does pull like a freight train. It's ridiculous. God, I love that car. Holy cow. I'm in love with the 63 Ford Galaxie. Well, figure that out. Still sounded good. Didn't matter if there's cars in the way. He'll take that personally, though. He'll be upset. Oh.
Chris.
Jake?
I'll keep this short because we're almost out of gas already. This might already be top 10 of 2026, and it's January 7th.
Well, you know what, though, dude? January 7th. It
This
doesn't
is
matter.
one of my favorite cars I've ever driven in my life.
How much fun is it?
I love Galaxies, and it's an R code with a big block and a 4-speed.
Love it.
And it's like pristine condition. It's really,
perfect.
really nice. Are you ready to take it back?
Let's go.
Let's go before we
I
run out
went
of
almost
gas.
out of gas, seriously.
It went down visibly doing that.